HP has launched the world's most advanced metals 3D printing technology for mass production to accelerate fourth industrial revolution. At the 2018 International Manufacturing Technology Show, HP launched HP Metal Jet, the world's most advanced 3D printing technology for high volume manufacturing of production grade metal parts. The new HP Metal Jet technology delivers mechanically functional final parts with up to 50 times more productivity than other 3D printing methods and at significantly lower cost compared to other binder jetting systems. HP is partnering with GKN Powder Metallurgy to deploy HP Metal Jet in their factories to produce functional metal parts for auto and industrial leaders including Volkswagen. HP also launched the Metal Jet production service, enabling customers around the world to rapidly iterate new 3D part designs, produce final parts in volume, and integrate HP Metal Jet into their long-term production roadmaps. In first half of 2019, customers will be able to upload 3D design files and receive industrial grade parts in large quantities from the new Metal Jet production service. The parts will be produced by HP partners GKN Powder Metallurgy and Parmatech. Commercial HP Metal Jet solutions will be offered at under $399,000 and begin shipping in 2020 to early customers and with broad availability in 2021.